Okay, so today we are going to draw a globe. We're going to do a globe of the Earth. We're going to start with a square canvas. And I went on to Pexels.com and did a search for Earth map and found a very nice one. So we're going to click on Add, Insert File, and what I did was I put it in my Dropbox. So under Dropbox I have Reference, and then if I go down to Pexels, and open that folder up, I can download this picture. And here we have a lovely picture of the Earth. Now I don't want the gray background, so I'm going to do a select, automatic select, and I'm going to click, and you notice it selects everything. So let's tap and drag to the left so that it does not take the land masses. I don't think we got enough of it there, so let's do it again. Drag to the left. I want just the land masses. We'll have to zoom in to grab these. Alright. And then we go to the wrench, add and select cut. And now you can see we have this picture here. And we've got places with pixels still on it here. Let's select that one and that one. And basically I am clearing out all of the stuff that I do not want to have. And we will cut that. Alright. I think this is close enough. Well, it'll be close enough once I get these two. Alright. And now I'm going to alpha lock this layer. I can swipe with 2 fingers to the right, or I can tap and say alpha lock. And then I'm going to color all of this. Let's see now. If we choose a light brown, let's go into airbrushing. Hard airbrush is good. Bring it down. Let's see, we got Australia here, and we'll make it this color. And then we'll swing like that. And obviously this is not true to life colors for the globe, but I just want some nice interest going on here. And I'm going to do a Gaussian blur. That's the one Gaussian blur layer. And we just kind of blur all these things together. And we've got this. Now what we want to do is create a globe. Let's see, that's good. I'm going to draw a circle. Once you have an ellipse created, tap down with one finger and hold, and it becomes a full circle. And then we fill that in, and let's choose another color of blue. Go to elements, and let's choose oceans. And put some texture down on top of this. We'll alpha lock that first. There we go. And we'll put this down to there. We'll take the alpha lock off of the layer 1. Let's take it off of the layer 2. And on our layer 1, where we have all of our continents, we're going to select, choose warp, and we're going to start moving this in towards our circle. Let's go to the advanced mesh so we can grab these handles too. Okay, we know that that's not that far south. Okay, and we now have continents on our planet. Now what we want to do is we'll set this as our reference layer. We'll come up here. We'll choose a nice off-white color. And we'll use clouds because they have nice texture. We're going to do an automatic selection. And because we have the circle set as our reference layer, when we select it, even though we're on layer 3, it selects just that. We're going to turn the transparency of this brush down a little bit, and we're just going to start coloring in a polar region. Alright, now if we select all 3 layers by going to the left, we can group them together. And let's choose uniform. And we're going to tilt this ever so slightly. And we have a nice little globe. Let's go and do a multiply. And let's see. Yeah, let's duplicate this group. Turn off the original. We'll flatten this one. Now it's all one picture. And that means that we can use a clipping mask here. We've got this on multiply. We're going to choose a medium gray color. And we're going to go into the airbrushing. and choose a medium brush. Let's raise that up a bit. And we will shade over on this one. And then we'll go for slightly darker and shade over like that. And a slightly darker and shade over on that. Then once again, we're going to use the Gaussian blur to just kind of blend those shades in together. So now we have part of our globe in a nice gradiated shadow, as if the sun were over here somewhere. And we're not going to do the moon today, but you can get a map of the moon. Same thing. Make a globe. And then you would be able to have the moon there with the Earth. What we're going to do is we're going to turn the background color on. We're going to make it a dark velvety blue, a very dark velvety blue. And yeah, we'll use the yellow here. Go down to luminescence. Choose the original glimmer brush. And see, we're on a different layer. We're just going to put some stars in here. Remember, with the glimmer brushes, the lighter you tap, the smaller the stars are. The larger you tap, or the harder you tap, the larger they are. And I'm not really worried about going over the top of my Earth, because I'm going to take this layer now and move it down to the very lowest. And just that quick, you've created a globe of the Earth. And what we learned today is basically how to use the warping tool so we can wrap a map around an object. This is a quick and easy way to put textures in. It's fun, and you can make all sorts of things that way. You can draw your own continents and then wrap them around a globe and you have an alien planet. If we wanted, we could take that same cloud brush and put weather systems across this. Very easy to do. Well, thank you very much for watching my video today, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.